The next thing I want to teach you how to do, or what I want to do is teach you how to import a GPX track that you have already downloaded to your computer. There's another video I'm going to make that is going to teach you how to download this directly from a GPS. But for now, this is already on your computer, and for this scenario, we're going to say that this was a trailing dog that started out at the last known position and got a scent trail and was able to get a direction of travel on the subject, or an alleged direction of travel, before losing the trail. And so we want to figure out on our map where this dog went, because they took a GPS with them, and we want this information to help us create future sectors. So I already have it downloaded to my desktop. I already know what the file is called, which is going to help me. But I'm going to go to Import, choose Files, go to my desktop, or wherever the file is at. And then for this one, I called it trailer1.gpx. That's the file I'm looking for. Click Open. It shows right here that this item is actually located on the map. Shows that it's a 0.92 mile trail, or a track, GPS track. And I just click Import. And then there it is. Okay? I can click on that, and I can change its color if I wanted to make it stick out from my hasty assignments. I can also change how it looked, since it kind of gave me a direction of travel. Maybe I want to add some arrows to it. And so I see here that this trailing dog followed this person all the way down over to this wooded area before losing the track. That is how you import a track, and you can also see how, as dog teams come back from these different assignments that we've created, we might be able to put some tracks over them, or perhaps they'll even find clues while out during their sector assignments, and we may need to update our map as we go along. But for this instance, in this video alone, this is how you would import a track from a team that just came back.